Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a back to school / back to work makeup. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna keep everything drugstore, so it's affordable for everyone, especially if you're in your teens and you just want to put something on when you're going to school. As foundation, I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Foundation and I'm in the color Natural. I still have a little bit of tan, so this is a bit darker compared to what I would normally use. I get my sponge and I spray it with the Rose Glow Mist by Pixi. It's gonna be minimal products, very quick and easy. This is honestly a makeup that if I don't have to talk through it, I can do it in 10 minutes. Easy peasy. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, and this is in the color medium brown. You have the spoolie on one side and on the other side you have the angled pencil. So I start from the bottom. When I get to the tail, I go up and then I go from the top and I'll cross down. To set them in place, I'm using the Maybelline Brow Drama Gel in clear. As concealer, I'm using a mixture of Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in 1 and 3. I'm putting number 3 and I'll put number 3 a bit on the side of my nose as well. And then just 2 strokes of number 1. I get my sponge again and I spray the glow mist and I blend. This concealer is amazing. Honestly, hands down, one of the best drugstore concealers. Before applying any powder, I'm spraying again the Rose Glow Mist straight on my face. I'm gonna use 2 different powders, but if you want, you can use just one. So for my under eyes, I'm using the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and this one is going to set my under eye. For the rest of my face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. I'm gonna start, as always, just with the T-zone. I wanna keep this part quite luminous. I'm barely touching the powder. It's just really to mattify and set where I want to be matte and where I put a bit more of concealer, and I need to set a bit better. For bronzer, highlight and blush, I'm using this trio by Sleek and is in number Light 373. This is one of the oldest products I have in my kit. So you have bronzer, highlight and blush. So this is a dupe for the NARS Orgasm. So we're starting with the bronzer. Just a little bit across the nose, on the chin, along the jawline, and just a touch down the neck so it doesn't look like you just have a stripe. I'm taking the blush color I'm spraying again the glow mist. Now I'm going to apply the highlighter. It's just going on high points of the face. Because the blush is already quite shimmery because there is gold particles in it, I'm not gonna put too much, and just a touch on the Cupid's bow. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use a Kiko Long Lasting Stick Eyeshadow, and this is in the color 07. And this is such a quick way to apply makeup. So we're gonna apply this all over the lid. We're taking a buffing brush, a tiny buffing brush. This is the Deluxe Concealer Brush by Real Techniques. What is great about these eyeshadows is that the moment that they set, they don't move. I'm going to touch the inner corner as well of the eye, so we highlight that part as well. I'll go in with a fluffy brush and the bronzy shade that I use to bronze up my face, and I'll go in the crease To define the lash line, I'm using a brown eyeliner. This is something that is up to you. If you want to wear eyeliner, if you don't want to wear it, if you want to wear it, what color of eyeliner you want to wear. If you want to go black to be more intense, go black. I'm gonna go brown because it's a day look, so I want it to be quite soft, but still I want to define the lash line. This is the ColourPop and Zola collaboration. I'm gonna put it messily along the lash line. Doesn't have to be neat because we're gonna blend. And I'm taking the same brush that I use for the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna blend. If you want, this is optional, you can put just a touch of eyeliner on the outer corner. Blend. And this is a great eyeliner as well because when it sets it doesn't move. Now is mascara time, so we're using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. I'm taking off most of the product because the brush picks up a lot of product. I already curled my eyelashes. I always do it before I start doing my makeup. And then I wiggle from the roots to the tip, and you can see the difference, and that is just one coat. Without putting any more mascara on the brush, I'm gonna do my lower lash line. For lipstick, I'm using a Maybelline Color Sensational lipstick in 207 Pink Flame. It smells so good. It smells like candy. To set my makeup in place, I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. Have an amazing time back at school. Do not forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new video. I'm trying to keep up with the schedule of once a week, but unfortunately being quite busy at work, that's why it hasn't been very consistent, but I'm gonna try my best, I promise. Have an amazing day wherever you are, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!